Hey everyone, welcome back. In this full 2026 guide, I'll show you how to copy content inside Outlook email quickly and easily. First, open Outlook and go to the email you want to copy from. Click to open the message, then use your mouse to highlight the text you want. Once it's selected, right-click and choose Copy, or simply press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. If you want to copy the entire email content, just press Ctrl+A to select everything, and then Ctrl+C to copy it all at once. To paste it somewhere else, like a new email, a document, or a note, just click where you want it to go and press Ctrl+V. You can also right-click and choose Paste. If you're on Outlook Web, the process is exactly the same. Highlight the text, right-click, and copy. All keyboard shortcuts work there too, and that's it. You've successfully copied content from Outlook emails with just a few clicks. Oh, and thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe for more simple Outlook and email tutorials.